Hello everyone. So in this section, I would like to talk about customizing the ggplots, and we will be using the ggplot2 a lot in the next few section. And before we get started with the exploratory analysis, we'll take some time to learn how we can customize the look of gg2 plots. So this is one of the let me load the ggplot2 library first, and this is the one graph which we have seen earlier also in the last two videos. So this gives the brain weight and the sleep total graph, and uh, it is divided based on the different types of animal, the carnivorous or herbivorous. This graph looks okay, but GG the R and especially the ggplot and the other packages are there in R, which by using that we can improve the look of the particular graphs. So let's try to modify this. So the first one, I will just put this whole graph into one of the object called P, right? As you can see, P is available now in the environment variable. And let's create some plots with different themes. So themes are used we can change the background, we can change the grid or a few of the other look and feels. So let's see what the theme of gray, how it is looking. As you can see, now the colors are different based on the different type of animals. Next one is the theme black and white. So this will give you the black and white border, right? And line draw, it will give border for each and every inside the graph. Earlier it was border was not there. It was light. This light, now the border becomes the light. And if I choose a dark, it will become a dark. So dark background. And minimal, no borders. And the classic, no borders at all, only the type of animals are in the thick border. So there are others packages like GG themes is the one, and if you don't have, you can install this package. I've already done. I will just load into the memory, and we'll see two three type of 250 is the one with no background. Right? This theme is Wall Street Journal, look like a look, right? And the next is the solarized, similar to what was the previous, but a little bit of light light yellow. There are others HBR HRBR themes. You can install this package also. It also have different themes you can use like this one, right? And theme FT underscore RC. So this looks pretty good if I click on and zoom it. So this is quite good if you are a fan of the dark backgrounds, which most people are nowadays, and the modern are also more focused. And yeah, this really looks good. So still this is not a perfect graph, but the main idea was to see how we can change the background, how we can use the different themes which are available in our using different packages. To see the color palette, so there are different color palettes. I think I will have a more detailed discussion on this one. So there are three types of color palettes are available. First is the sequential, means your color will improve or grow as the sequence grow. Diverging, again, it's a type. Qualitative, different color for different variables. Let's see the example of the color palette of orange to red. As you can see, this moves to light orange to red. Diverging, red and blue. Right? Color looks good. And the next one is the set one for the qualitative. So colors here also looks really good. There are additional themes I just want to. So let's say you want to change the position of this legend, right? Right now it is at this position, and if you don't want it, right? There is no legend. If you want at the bottom, as legend has been moved to the bottom, And if you want to move this legend to particular coordinate, you can provide your coordinates. So 1 1 start from here, right? If I put this, it goes to 0 1 here. Sorry, 1 1 start from here, it goes to 0 1 here, like this. And this is one full code. I will run this. This if just to showcase, there are many options are available in the theme. You can use it if you want to know more. Of course, you can go ahead and see the help file, and whatever you want in your graph, you can put that. Yeah, very powerful, very good options are there if you want to use the themes. This is how you can use it. So this is how you can customize your ggplots graphs. Yep. Thank you.